I'm going to introduce Nora. She's a new client of ours. She and her son have been benefiting from understanding the lymphatic system and from a distance lymphatic healing session with me. Hi, Nora. Thank you for joining us.
Hi, John. Thanks for having me.
Can you tell us why you were searching for answers to some health problems with you and your son?
Sure. So first of all, for my son, it's been 3 years. He's had this reoccurring cough continuously. Been taking him to all kinds of doctors and they couldn't find anything. They took x-rays. I mean, they've done everything. The one doctor said, oh, it's his acid reflux, and oh, it's everyone's just guessing and trying to get him on drugs. And I'm like, no, I'm not doing that. So I kept searching and searching, and I came across your program, and it sounded amazing. And I was like, okay, we have to try this. And so that was for him. He also has asthma and really bad allergies. And so I just needed help with him, like really bad. And then for me, I've had 2 brain surgeries, and I've had a shoulder rotator cuff surgery, a bladder surgery, and just all kinds of things going on with me as well. So we both needed help. And when I came across your program, it sounded amazing. I just said, I have to try this. And I'm so glad that I did.
And you
We had
weren't you weren't someone to jump right in. It took you a little while. You
It
knew it was
did.
something that you needed, but you were really, you wanted to make sure. You sent me a lot of questions, and
Yes.
right. So I'm glad we were able to answer your questions the right way and got you involved. So what have now you also tried you haven't been able to get in the course yet because you really just joined. Your
Right.
son just joined a school and everything. But you've listened to me a few times about the lymphatic system in our inner circle. What do you think about the lymphatic system? Do you think it's something that can make a difference in most people's lives?
Oh my God, absolutely. I mean, I just had one session. My son and I had just one session, and we could already see a difference, a huge improvement. At first, it was a little hard because we were both my son and I were both more congested, and we weren't feeling really well. And so I'm thinking, I know that you had mentioned that this might happen, but when you're just not ready for it, we weren't digging it. We just weren't real thrilled about
You
not
felt like
feeling
you were
well.
sick. You had a little detox reaction. You felt
Yes.
like you had the flu. You get tired. You
Yes.
don't feel well.
Yep.
And then
Yep.
something amazing happened with your son. He went to school the next
Yeah.
day. And what
He went to
happened?
school and he was super congested, and that cough, that reoccurring cough, came like with a vengeance, just really bad, to the point where they had to sent him to the office, to the nurse's office. And so she took, his temperature, made sure he didn't have a fever, and he didn't. So they just sent him back to his room. And once I picked him up, he goes, oh, I'm so glad you're here, Mom. I just want to take this mask off. And, I feel horrible and blah, blah, blah. And yeah, it came on really bad for him. Then a couple days went by, and now he's feeling amazing. And for me, same thing. I have so much more energy, so much more energy. It's crazy. So yes, I highly, highly recommend your
Yeah, it's
program.
amazing that your son, he's had congestion. He has asthma. He has congestion for 3 years where he has this recurring cough.
Mhm.
I opened up his lymphatic system a little bit, and we only did a short session on him, that
Right.
because we did both of you, and he became very congested. You did. And that cough is showing how that waste was trapped in his lungs. And then the next day he starts to feel better, or the next day he was worse, and then he started to feel better. It's
Right.
really about trapped waste. And once we get the lymph system going, whether you do it, which you're going to get into course now, I know you are, you're excited to do it, and you'll be able to help your son with the things in the course and be able to help
Absolutely.
yourself. But it's amazing that most people complain about chronic fatigue, right? Not being able to breathe. And here in just one session of opening up the lymphatic system, you both felt a little detox reaction. And you also, did you feel, I believe you also felt me working on you, because we worked on your head a lot and
Yes.
you felt it in your head.
Yes. Yes. And my shoulder, my left shoulder, I've had that injury for 3 years as well. And oh my God, when you were working on me, I just felt this like warmth, just something really warm going on. And I was very relaxed. I almost fell asleep on you 3 times because I was so relaxed. But yeah, I completely felt a lot of warmth going on
And when
and
I
lots of
checked you,
tingling in the head.
tingling in the head, right? Because when we first checked you out, your body intuitively, I picked up the left shoulder, I picked up the
Yeah,
right head where you have more sensation in your head from the surgery, and
right.
even your pelvic, some irritation down there. So I was
Yeah.
able to pick things up with you, and then you felt it as I worked with it. And do you
Yes.
feel, and overall, do you feel a little bit better from when you first, before
No,
you had
not a
this?
little bit better, a lot
A
better.
lot better.
A
I love
lot
that.
better. I
That's
can
great.
feel my neck was real stiff because they cut me right at the cerebellum, and they, to get into the brain. And so I've always been having a lot of like neck issues ever since the session. My neck is very loose. I have more range of motion. It's just amazing.
And it's going to get
Amazing.
even better as you start to learn how to drain yourself. It's going to be, you're going to get your life back and be able to take care of you and your son, with what comes up in the future, if anything comes up. But hopefully we'll be able to lower everybody's risk of disease and live a
Yeah.
healthier life without asthma or more serious problems happening, especially with COVID around. We'll
Yeah.
build up both your immune systems. Well, Nora, I appreciate
Absolutely.
you. So you really do think people should be looking into taking care of the lymphatic system? Don't be afraid. It's just me, my
Yes.
wife, my daughter. It's not a big conglomeration. We're there to help people.
Absolutely. It's you guys have been amazing. Yeah, I was kind of a little hesitant, due to money problems since COVID, and we're not caught up yet. But it was just something I had to do. I felt like I had to do it, and I have no regrets whatsoever. It's something that everybody needs because we are all toxic every day. Everything we breathe, everything we drink, everything we eat, just we are so toxic. And we need to cleanse
Right.
our
And we
body and
call it
just
all different diseases, but it really
right,
just stems from your lymphatic system not
right,
working. All right,
absolutely.
Nora, I'm so glad you joined us in the inner circle. I look forward to many more improvements in you and your son. All right, we'll talk to
Yes,
you
me too.
soon.
Thanks,
All right,
John. Bye
bye-bye.
bye.
Right. All right, Nora, thank you very much. I appreciate you being on and explaining to people, because instead of me telling people that, oh, I can make you feel better, I want to hear from you, and you haven't even gotten into the course yet, and your son are already benefiting. So if you have any doubt whether we can help you with your lymphatic system, please contact us. And I promise you will see how new science of the lymphatic system can help you.